Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install OneDrive for team-based post-production storage step by step clearly. To install OneDrive for team-based post-production storage, begin by ensuring your team has a stable internet connection. Navigate to the official Microsoft OneDrive website. Click on the download button located on the home page. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the file to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to accept the license agreement. Select the installation directory or keep the default settings. Click Install to begin the installation. After the installation is complete, launch OneDrive. You will see a sign-in screen prompting you to enter your Microsoft account credentials. Input the email address associated with your Microsoft account. Click Sign In to proceed. You may be asked to verify your identity through a security code sent to your registered email or phone. Once verified, you will access the OneDrive setup screen. Select whether you want to sync all files and folders or choose specific ones. Click Next to continue with your selections. Once the setup is complete, you will see the OneDrive icon appear in your system tray. Right-click the OneDrive icon and select Settings for further configuration. Under the Account tab, you can manage storage settings and view your available space. In the Network tab, adjust the upload and download speeds if needed. Now, navigate to your File Explorer to confirm OneDrive is listed in the sidebar. To add files for post-production, simply drag and drop them into the OneDrive folder. Remember to inform your team about the folder structure for easy access. Now that OneDrive is set up, you can start collaborating in real time. Ensure that all team members have access permissions to the shared folders. Regularly check OneDrive for updates to enhance your storage capabilities. Congratulations, you have successfully installed OneDrive for your team-based post-production storage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.